Hey guys. Hello. Hey guys, for real this time. Welcome back to my channel, J-Rock Yoga. My name is Jess, and I'm so happy to have you here for this special flow. Did you guys see that? Huh. Well, I'm so happy to have you here for this special Halloween flow. This flow is going to be the Moon Salutation. So many of us are familiar with Chandra Namaskar and the Sun Salutation, but not many people know about Chandra Namaskar, the Sun Salutation's sister. So it is a Moon Salutation. Chandra means moon, and it's a little bit slower, it's a little bit gentler, and it's really good for stress relief. Really good to do at the end of a long work day, really good to do in the winter time or when you're just feeling a little overwhelmed. A fun fact about the moon is that in ancient times it was associated with immortality. So if you think vampires, werewolves, anything like that, the moon and the full moon is always a big factor. So this flow is meant to bring out that inner vibrance. It's meant to bring out that inner immortality, keeping you young and vibrant and calm and balanced. So if you're interested in flowing with the moon and learning a little different type of sun salutation, just keep watching. We're going to learn Chandra Namaskar today. Okay, let's get started. So for this flow, I'm going to take you through Chandra Namaskar, or the moon flow, twice. Once we'll go a little bit slower, and the second time we'll just move with our breath so that you can really get into the feel of it. So for this flow, we're actually going to start at the right side of our mat. We use the full length of our mat for the moon flow. We're not facing our normal direction, so get ready to spread out and use all of the space. So we're going to stand on the right side of your mat in Tadasana. Big toes will come to touch and heels will come slightly apart. Hands come to heart center in Samastitihi. On your next inhale, circle your arms up over your head, looking up, stretching toward the sky. And as you exhale, stretch over to your right, hips to the left. Inhale, come on through center, reach up. Exhale, stretch over to the left, hips to the right. Inhale, reach all the way up to the sky. And as you exhale, lift the ribcage, lift the heart, hips press a little bit forward into a heart lift. Good. Slowly come back to a neutral spine and step your left foot out to the left, toes out, heels in. Exhale, squat down into your goddess pose. Elbows come to shoulder height, spread the fingers wide. Good. Inhale, rise all the way up, left toes turn to the left. Arms come to a T, heel to arch alignment here. Inhale, reach left arm forward, preparing for Trikonasana. And then all the way down, hips go back, right fingertips reach up toward the sky. Inhale, stretch as you reach the right shoulder back. As you exhale, turn to face the left leg, both hands frame left foot, bow for Parsvottanasana over your left leg. Inhale, slowly bending into your right knee, place it on the ground. Sweep both arms up over your head, Anjaneyasana. Left heel pulls in towards right knee, belly pulls in, hips reach forward. Good. Slowly come back, hands to the ground. Turn both toes to the front of your mat, bend into your left knee, hands to heart, Skandasana pose. Good. Slowly shifting the weight of your body to center, turn the toes out, heels in, maybe walk them in a little bit, Malasana. Tailbone down, crown of head reaching up toward the sky, knees pull back. And then slowly shift the weight of your body over the right knee, Skandasana to the right side. Pull the belly in, sit up nice and tall. Exhale, both hands framing the right foot, pivot to the right side of your mat and place left knee on the ground. Inhale, gather the core, stretch the arms up over your head, reach to the sky, take it into your lunge. And as you exhale, both hands down to frame right foot, step the back heel toward the mat and fold for Parsvottanasana over your right leg. Inhale to slowly walk your right hand inside the right foot. Left hand comes up toward the sky, heel to arch aligned again. Pull the belly in and get nice and long. Using the core, pull your way all the way up to stand. Squat down, toes out, heels in. Goddess pose, elbows to shoulder height here. Good. Inhale, stand all the way up. And as you exhale, right foot meets left, hands to heart center. Samastitihi. Inhale, sweeping the arms all the way up over the head, preparing for the other side. And as you exhale, stretch over toward the left. Inhale, stretch up toward center. And exhale, stretch over toward the right. Now as you inhale, reach up, press the hips forward. Lean a little bit back, look up, press down through the feet. And exhale, slowly come back to center. Stepping right foot out to the right, toes out, heels in, squat down, goddess pose, shoulder blades hug together. Good, inhale, stand up, turn the right toes to the right, heel to arch aligned, preparing for triangle as you reach your right hand forward, pull the core in, and then all the way down, left fingertips reaching up toward the sky. Good, take a breath here, lean the left shoulder back. And then as you exhale, bow forward over your right knee. Relax your neck. Good, inhale, lift the left heel and start to place the left knee down on the earth. Sweeping the arms up over your head, Anjaneyasana, look up and stretch up, go up. And as you exhale, hands come to the ground, left heel comes to the ground, toes point to the front of your mat. Come into your Skandasana variation, whatever works for you, as low or as high as you need to sit. Slowly start to shift the weight towards center, Malasana, toes out, heels in, chest pulling towards your thumbs. And then we're going to shift the weight over toward the left knee, straightening right leg, Skandasana, toward the left side. Good, slowly pivot toward the left side of your mat, right heel peels up, place right knee on the ground. Inhale, sweep the arms up high, Anjaneyasana, stretch up toward the sky or the moon, whatever time of day you're practicing. And exhale, both hands down, step the right heel to touch the mat and bow forward, Parsvottanasana. Inhale, crawl the right or the left fingertips inside the left foot, right fingertips float up toward the sky, finding your Utthita Trikonasana. And then slowly rise all the way up to your five-pointed star. Turn the toes out, heels come in, squat down, goddess pose, elbows to shoulder height. Inhale, stand all the way up and step your left foot to your right. Hands to heart center. Okay, so now that we've gone through the moon flow a little bit slower with some direction, we're just gonna flow with our breath. So you could take it as fast or as slow as you need, listen to my cueing, and just have fun with it. We're gonna begin at the right side of your mat. Coming to your Samastitihi, big toes to touch, heels slightly apart, hands come into heart center. Find length through the crown of your head. Inhale, sweep the arms up over your head, stretch. Exhale, reach over to the right, hips to the left. Inhale, come up through center. Exhale, stretch over to the left, hips to the right. Inhale, up through center. Exhale, press the hips forward, look up. Inhale, come through center. Exhale, step the left foot out. Goddess pose, squat down, spread the fingers wide. Inhale, stand up, turn the toes to the left. Utthita Trikonasana, reaching forward with all your might. And then the left fingertips down, right fingertips up. Inhale, lean the right shoulder back. And as you exhale, bow forward over your left leg. Inhale, pivot toward the left side of your mat, right knee down, sweep the arms up high, Anjaneyasana. Exhale, hands to mat, coming in for your Skandasana, toes forward, hands to heart. Inhale, glide into center, maybe shorten the stance, Malasana, lengthen crown. And as you exhale, slide and glide over towards the right knee, Skandasana to the right side. Slowly pivot toward the right side of your mat. Place your left knee on the ground. Inhale, sweep your arms up over your head. And as you exhale, plant your hands, step the back foot in, and bow forward, Parsvottanasana. Inhale to walk the right hand in and float left fingertips up toward the sky, finding your Trikonasana. And then slowly gather the core, rise all the way up. Exhale, sit down, goddess pose. Inhale, stand up, step right foot next to left, hands to heart center, Samastitihi. Inhale deep, exhales long. Inhale, circle your arms up over your head, stretch. Exhale, stretch over to the left side, hips to the right. Inhale, reach all the way up. Exhale, stretch over to the right side, hips to the left. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, take it back as much as feels good. Inhale, come back to neutral. Exhale, step your right foot out. Squat down, not malasana, goddess pose. Inhale, stand all the way up, preparing for Trikonasana, right toes to the right, hips to the left, reach, 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 and then right hand down, left fingertips float up toward the sky. As you exhale, bow forward the torso over your right leg. Inhale, pivot toward the right side of your mat, place your left knee down, and start to sweep the arms up over your head, stretching up toward the sky. And as you exhale, hands come to mat. Anchor your left heel down, toes to the front of the room or the mat, hands to heart, Skandasana. Inhale, gather the weight towards center, toes out, heels in, squat down, Malasana. Slowly start to lengthen the stance, Skandasana, toward the left side. And then exhale, hands frame left foot, pivot toward the left side of your mat, right knee down. Inhale, sweep your arms up over your head, Anjaneyasana, stretch. Exhale, plant your hands, step back foot in, straighten left leg, Parsvottanasana. Inhale, walking left hand inside left foot, right fingertips reach up toward the sky, Uttita Trikonasana. And then slowly gather your core, rise all the way up. Sit down, goddess pose. Good, inhale, stand all the way up. Exhale, left foot meets right, Samastitihi. Let's take a big breath in and a long breath out. Honoring the moon, honoring the cycles of our lives, letting our sequence settle in our bodies. So there you have it, Chandra Namaskar or your Moon Salutation. Light some candles, roll out your mat, open the window to look at the full moon, and enjoy this water-like flow this fall season. I hope you enjoyed practicing this flow as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you did, like it below, leave a comment, let me know what you thought. If you want to see more flows like this, I'm going to put out a new video for you guys every single week. You can subscribe to my channel, maybe hit the notification button below. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram or any other social media, I'm at jrockyoga, and my website for recipes, longer flows, blog posts is jrockyoga.com. Happy haunting, happy practicing, and I'll see you next week.